Oh, welcome back, all you holiday shoppers, bird watchers, nature lovers, and chirping chirpers out there. Welcome to CSN, the Chirp Shopping Network. It's Handy Randy here with some holiday hacks for you. Let me ask you, are you one of those last-minute gifters? Those, oh no, I don't know what to get my kids for Christmas gifters? Or are you just tired of buying matching Santa boxers for your loved ones? I know I am. Well, you are in luck today. I am overjoyed to be joined by our gift-giving specialist, Joy.
Thanks, Randy. It's so great to see you in Chirp Studios looking all festive.
Oh, the dollar store does have quite a selection of Santa hats, don't they? Ho, 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 ho.
Well, yeah, but now that the holiday season is just around the corner, it's never too early to start shopping for that special someone.
That's right, Joy.
As I was wrapping cinnamon-scented candles for our valued customers, I realized gift giving can be so easy if you have the right guide.
I couldn't agree more.
So that's why Handy Randy and I are here to share our gift-giving guide and holiday hacks with all of you beloved Chirp bird nerds and all natural nature lovers tuning in.
Sing it, Joy. Let's tell our viewers about our handy holiday hacks for gift giving.
Great idea, Randy. Chirp's holiday hacks are 1. Always entertain the little chickadees. 2. Give the gift that sparks the adventurous spirit. And 3. Everyone loves the gift of nature.
And you know what's great about these 3 hacks?
Why don't you tell us, Randy?
We have birding kits that go hand in hand or wing in wing with them.
It's almost like we planned it that way.
Almost. The best part is we're going to go through each kit in 1 minute. Imagine that. 3 hacks, 3 gifts, 3 minutes. Looks like Christmas came early.
Well, then we better go get started.
Okay, so the first holiday hack, number 1, as you will recall, is always entertain your little chickadees. So we created the Toddle into Nature kit.
I'm sure you're aware of how important it is to give the gift that keeps kids entertained as much as possible.
This kit includes
1. A cuddly little bird plush. Comes in a variety of bird species. Gives the gift of a house pet without the mess. It also sings while you carol, and when you don't want to listen to your toddler, ask for more Christmas cookies.
Helpful. Your little kitties will love this fun kaleidoscope. It's the toddler's first monocular, and it's handy for the older kids at raves, too. Joy, I bet you see the seasonal spirit and holiday cheer, right?
Indeed I do. Whoa. All right, next up, we have Keep the Kitties' Counters Warm with a fuzzy finger puppet. It's a birding buddy to distract your tots as you try to nap. So cute and soft. Buy 10, and you can use them as finger mittens.
Handy. Last but not least, we have the Birds, Nest, and Eggs book. It's their first field guide, a little book for little people with a ton of birding info. You might even learn a thing or two yourself. And don't let the author, Mel Boring, throw you off. It is truly engaging.
Wow, that is the perfect kit to entertain those toddlers, and it's only $25.92.
What a deal! And if you call now, you will receive a free heartfelt hello from a trusty Chirp employee.
You can also go online and order the Toddle into Nature kit with the click of a button. And every kit you see here today comes pre-wrapped for your gift-giving convenience.
That's right. No stress, no mess, just happy holiday smiles from you and your loved ones.
But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear a word from our customers and what they're saying about this kit. Mr. Mallard says, "This kit really fit the bill and was exactly what my little chick wanted." Got it?
Exactly. And as you can see, these gifts are as popular as a suet feeder in a forest full of woodpeckers.
So make sure you buy your Toddle into Nature kit today.
Well, that covers our first holiday hack. I'm sure that was less than a minute. Always entertain the little chickadees. But what do you do when you have no idea what to buy those hard-to-shop-for kids?
Well, Randy, that's why we have our holiday hack number 2, which is give the gift that sparks the adventurous spirit.
Great advice, Joy. You are so bright.
I know, and it's true. There are just so many kids out there staring at screens all day. So inspire those kids to get outdoors with our Young Birders kit. Just take a look at these lovely binoculars.
I bet they'd be even easier to use once they're outside of their packaging. All right. As Joy said, this Young Birders kit includes these beginning bird binoculars. That forest green gives off this hip young birder nature vibe. It's complete with a carrying case so that you can bird anytime, anywhere.
And it comes with a Wild Birds Love Me sticker. This is a Chirp exclusive. Can't find it anywhere else. And there is nothing better than a little positive reinforcement. Stick it on your water bottle, their bird journals, across their cell phone screens. It's the perfect size. Stick it wherever you need to be reminded that nature's calling.
Yeah, then they even get a Young Birders field guide. It lists species from all over North America. It helps them go out and sharpen those bird identification skills. You may need to buy them a bigger beanie once their head is full of so much knowledge, because their head will swell and their hat size will get so much bigger.
The final item in this Young Birders kit is a Chirp favorite, the Audubon bird call. No batteries, no screens, just the sound of nature in the palm of your hand. When those family conversations become just a little bit cumbersome, let your little birder twist this and everyone will be distracted by the sound of nature.
Good distraction, Joy. I can't believe they get all of this for just $54.46.
That is right. Your young birding buddies will receive a sticker, binoculars, a field guide, and a bird call for less than the price of a fancy cell phone case.
Well, Joy, let's hear what our valued customer, Mr. J, has to say about the kit.
Mr. J says, as soon as my fledgling got his wings on the Young Birder kit, he identified all of the birds in our backyard. It was stellar. Get it? Stellar.
Joy, you are so endearing. Okay, back to our holiday hacks. Kids grow up so fast, don't they? One minute they're hugging their little plush chickadee. The next they are identifying their songs in the springtime.
Now that we have the kids covered, what do you do for that special someone you have yet to shop for?
Or that special someone who already has everything.
Or that special someone who doesn't want anything.
Or that special someone who you really don't think is all that special.
But you still feel like you have to give them a gift because they bring pie every year and it's pretty decent pie.
Pie. Yeah, well, right. Our final holiday hack in our gift-giving guide is everyone loves the gift of nature.
So, give the gift that brings nature right to them with our Hummer Helper kit.
First off, this Hummer Helper kit comes with a hummingbird feeder and a cleaning brush. As we like to say at Chirp, full feeders, full hearts. Use this little bristle to clean the feeding ports of those hard-to-reach places, even in places like your fruitcake pan.
And don't forget about that nectar mix. Put your someone special to work feeding the hummingbirds while you focus on feeding your in-laws. Good luck with that one.
They even get a hummingbird pamphlet so they can get to know their hummingbirds better than those distant relatives who even just only show up on the holidays. I don't see any relatives in here, but this is a helpful guide to the hummingbirds.
Next up, we have a hummingbird ring. Randy, can you try it on for me, please?
Oh,
because
this
it
is,
really compliments your hands.
It is, and it is a beautiful, beautiful piece. It makes such a statement. It really accentuates my lovely, lovely hands. Hummingbirds will actually fly to this land, and you'll sit there and you'll share a feeding moment with them. Everything's holly jolly, and even in this year has caused a bit of unanticipated trouble for your special someone. The final item in the Hummer Helper kit is the
Keep Calm and Hum On sticker. Yet again, another Chirp exclusive. Can't find it anywhere else. This year has been quite the doozy. So remember, do like the birds do and keep humming on.
Word.
And this entire Hummer Helper kit is only $49.90. You give the gift.
Keep it together, Joy.
You're just so funny. I can't.
Ah,
You're my favorite. So you give that.
I just gave you a raise.
I know. Why do you think I'm here? You give that special someone a beautiful feeder, a nectar powder, hummingbird pamphlet, feeder ring, and an encouraging sticker.
Wait a minute. All of this, a perfect gift for under $50.
It's truly a Christmas miracle.
Goodness.
And we have one last review coming in from Mr. Alan Hummingbird. He commented, my wife, Anna, thought this kit was just as sweet as nectar. It brought our whole family together and kept us calm during the holiday season. Thanks, Chirp.
Oh, anytime, Alan. Well, there you have it. 3 holiday hacks and 3 perfect kits for your loved ones. Let's go through them one more time quickly.
1. Always entertain your little chickadees with a Toddle into Nature kit.
2. Give presents that spark the adventurous spirit, the young birder kit.
And 3. Everyone loves the gift of nature, so gift a Hummer Helper kit for some natural fun.
And remember, these kits come pre-wrapped, so all you have to worry about is placing your order now.
It truly is the gift that keeps on giving.
It is. Call us today. Go online to chirpforbirds.com, or better yet, come in, visit us, say hello, and give your family and friends the presents they deserve.
Happy holidays, and we'll see you soon.
Happy holidays.
And cut. That was a lot longer than 3 minutes.
I pay you way too much.
You pay me in birdseed.
Birdseed's valuable.
Well, I can only make cookies out of birdseed so many times.
Is that what you call those? Yeah, those were tasty.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you over the sound of nature. I'm going to take this hummingbird feeder and go.
Yeah.
And I'm not coming back.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Happy Hanukkah.
I'm going to be talking like this. Hey, wow, ooh, look at this. Wee. Birdseed. And then you do live in 3, 2, 1. While she's doing that, we're still mouthing, right?
Okay.
That's the funny thing. You can't talk, though, when you do it.
I can hear that.
We're ranting, and then she's going to do her...
I'm all giggly now. I can't.
No. Imagine I just fired you.
First of all, you'd be lost without me.
Ooh, job security. Okay, I can't read.
Yeah, we know you're blind.
Let me, unless you guys noticed that you needed. The format looks really good. Like visually.
Love the taste of caffeine at midday.
So do you guys mind holding up stuff and just make sure that's good? Your audio's good. Test glare.
Mmm. I was gonna save my last sip for the end, but
okay. Do we need a cookie or Red Bull or anything?
No.
I mean my Red Bull's gone.
All right.
So.
We're live in 3, 2, 1.
No, we're not. So, are we recording now?
Yeah, we're all recording.